Welcome to today's video. Nature is full of wonders beyond imagination. In this video, let's explore 1 in a billion moments in nature. The rarest and most breathtaking moments nature has to offer. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Is this a street or an ice rink? Vehicles struggled to make it across the slippery ice, and some had no choice but to stop mid-road to avoid accidents. Some cars ended up as convertibles, against their owners' wishes. Well, there goes my insurance claim. With a thunderous crash, a 200-foot ice wall at Tracy Arm Fjord suddenly collapsed, sending shards of ice soaring into the air and creating a powerful wave that rippled across the glacial waters. A breathtaking display of nature's raw power. Who needs fireworks when nature delivers a jaw-dropping show? A web of lightning exploded across the night sky in California, putting on a truly spectacular display. Wow, look at those clouds. They're twisting and swirling like a massive vortex. A violent hailstorm with golf ball-sized hailstones came crashing down, damaging homes, cars, and crops, leaving residents struggling to recover. Glaciers are constantly shifting, a testament to nature's ever-moving force. Take a step back and admire these wonders from afar, letting nature create its own masterpieces. Azor's storm didn't just pass through. It picked up Marina's tent and slammed it back down in the most ungraceful landing. If you love camping, always check the weather forecast first. When nature decides to deliver a shock in the freezing cold, a massive block of ice slowly cracked, and then, boom! Came crashing down, leaving everyone wide-eyed.
Oh my God. Whoa.
Wow, it's like stepping into a real-life ice castle.
Danger!
In a rare and electrifying moment, a lightning bolt struck the Guatemalan sky, merging with the fiery eruption of a volcano, illuminating the heavens with nature's pure, untamed energy. People scrambled in chaos as the storm rolled in, leaving behind a scene straight out of a disaster movie. Even the trees couldn't handle the stress of the storm. A fierce gust sent a massive branch crashing to the ground. Good thing no one was nearby. Looks like the tree just decided to quit early. A moment that was both jaw-dropping and spine-chilling. Oh my God, everything was swept away in a matter of seconds. A supermarket roof suddenly collapsed during a flash flood, turning a peaceful shopping spot into total chaos. One moment it's a store, the next it's a disaster zone. A scorching desert suddenly turned pure white after an icy flash flood. Nature never fails to amaze us with its magical transformations. During Florida's cold snap, this iguana decided to strike a frozen pose hanging from a tree. Strong winds suddenly swept through a wedding tent in Sandy Hook, turning the ceremony into a floating dance. Outdoor weddings are always beautiful, but don't forget to have a backup plan in case the weather takes a turn. Wow, look at that! It's like giant clouds are slowly drifting right overhead.
Énorme, c'est à cinquantaine de mètres de nous. Pas sûr qu'on est qui aujourd'hui.
A giant worm kept burrowing deep into the ocean floor. What could it possibly be searching for in the depths? It's pure chaos, yet everyone's trying to stay calm. If you're near the area, avoid moving around and call for help if you see someone in need. A playful baby whale suddenly leaped out of the water, splashing everyone nearby. A hilarious surprise that had the whole crowd laughing. Who would have thought a flood could turn into a frozen parking lot like this? An intense chase that still had everyone laughing. The ocean really knows how to bring the drama. Amid a sea of spotted spider crabs, an albino stingray glided through like a glowing star in the dark. The busy bees didn't just work hard, they also managed to compose beautiful melodies with the hum of their wings. The spoonworm on the ocean floor showed off its ultimate camouflage skills, disappearing without a trace. The hungry caterpillar wasted no time and went straight for the dill, a fresh, high-quality meal right from the source. Everything seemed normal until the spider egg sac burst open, unleashing hundreds of tiny spiderlings crawling out like a miniature army.
Look,
Oh my goodness.
look,
They're
Jack,
gonna get them in a cave immediately.
Jack, I was then that always not.
Wow. No worries, no worries. I said, no worries, no worries.
The tornado in Krakow decided to throw its own free flight show, sending everything in its path soaring through the air. One second, all is calm. The next, total chaos. A powerful gust swept through, and the gas station canopy decided to call it quits on the spot. Captured in a breathtaking drone shot, the eruption of White Island unfolded in all its glory, as thick columns of ash billowed into the sky, creating a dramatic and mesmerizing display of raw power. In an alpine town in Italy, an unexpected landslide put pedestrians to the test. Thanks to quick reflexes, everyone reached safety just in time, proving the importance of staying calm and acting swiftly in the face of natural disasters. Hurricane Hilary left its mark with a landslide that buried roads in Southern California. Yet with resilience and rapid response efforts, the situation was quickly brought under control, a testament to human strength and unity in challenging times. Absolutely stunning. The skies over Holyoke seemed to shift and transform. The storm has passed, but the traces it left behind remain etched into every corner of the streets.
Sheet metal up ahead here, and some kind of structure's been destroyed back there.
Look at that. The flash flood in Cathy's Valley swept away the entire road as if it had never existed. Boulders rolled with the raging floodwaters, turning the once peaceful Rakaya River into a barren river of rocks. It felt like something straight out of an action movie. But no, nature hit the switch, and the building collapsed in an instant, leaving everyone in shock. Mount Sinabung didn't just erupt today, it painted a giant mushroom-shaped cloud across the sky. A glacier landslide in Alaska left tourists frozen in place, stunned. Who would have thought such a peaceful scene could take such a dramatic twist? Hikers in the Rocky Mountains were stunned as a massive avalanche thundered down like a roaring white waterfall. Before every journey, always prepare carefully. Safety comes first. The snow's falling thick now. It's time to get ready for the cold. Don't forget to bundle up and be careful when heading outside. What do you think of this experience? A powerful gust of wind sent a towering pine tree crashing into the water, creating an unexpected waterworks show for spectators.
Oh my God.
The storm didn't just rip the roof off a Florida resort. It also tore away the sense of security for those taking shelter inside.
Oh my God.
Towering waves surged forward, tossing everything in their path, a chilling reminder of nature's unstoppable force.
I've been searching through this house.
A snake found the perfect hiding spot inside a pair of shoes.
And I found it. Imagine you go to pick up your shoes in the morning, go out for your morning golf session, long game golf session, I'd imagine, and in behind. Hopefully it's okay. You'll struggle a little bit through the house.
Don't let storms catch you off guard. Always stay updated on the weather to plan a safe journey. With this kind of weather, staying home is the smartest choice. Don't risk going outside. Nothing is more important than your safety. A sudden waterspout left all of Florida stunned. Nature sure knows how to take us by surprise. After just one heavy downpour, floodwaters surged over Barren Falls, wiping away every trace in its path. Right in the heart of the city, a double rainbow stretched across the sky, creating a breathtaking and unexpected moment. Wow, like a living masterpiece, a perfect harmony of light and nature. From afar, a sudden avalanche crashed down the eastern side of the mountain, a sweeping wave of white so mesmerizing that no one could look away.
Look at these bears.
Playful bear cubs rolled around in the snow, treating it like their own personal playground.
Hey, finally a good lesson to be taught.
Firefighters didn't hesitate to smash a car window to hook up their hose and reach the flames. A bold decision made for one purpose: to save lives. A massive group of frogs invaded the pool, probably thinking they had just found their very own private swimming spot. A flying chunk of ice smashed through a driver's windshield out of nowhere, a shocking moment almost too unbelievable to process. A A young girl got her finger stuck in a shopping cart, but emergency responders rushed in for a lightning-fast rescue. A woman struggled to open her car door, completely frozen shut. Looks like she could use a superheated key card to get in. No time to react. The stage collapsed in seconds, leaving the crowd shouting, "What just happened?" Hopefully everyone made it out safely. Wow, an underwater proposal, so unique and romantic. What do you think of this proposal idea? Share your thoughts in the comments. The diver was welcomed like a VIP by a school of fish. Shimmering little fish swam in circles while the big ones cruised by, checking out the new arrival. When the ocean gives you a gift, but it's a little weird. Thought you found treasure? Turns out it's just a chunk of wood covered in barnacles. These long, slithering creatures look like they crawled straight out of a horror movie, a bizarre phenomenon that turned the harbor into the busiest it's ever been. Strange worms suddenly appeared, wriggling together into tight clusters on the road. It's like they're holding an emergency meeting. The ground began to shake, and within seconds, a peaceful scene turned into total chaos. People scattered, rushing to find shelter. A moment that was both breathtaking and filled with tension. A hot dog stand suddenly started dancing as the earthquake struck, creating a wildly unforgettable scene. The boat cut through towering waves, rising and plunging, a challenge not for the faint of heart. But remember, resilience and preparation are the keys to conquering any storm. The patrol team battled fierce winds atop Donner Summit, not just doing their job, but proving themselves as unsung heroes, always ready to face danger to keep everyone safe. A fury of nature turned the entire park into a wasteland, leaving behind a dangerous scene. The storm ripped roofs off buildings, reminding us just how crucial disaster preparedness really is. The sea foam on New South Wales's beaches looks straight out of a monster movie. It's as if they're plotting to take over the shore. Who would have thought? Massive ice chunks suddenly appeared in the middle of a car wash. Winter snuck in without anyone noticing. With the help of machinery, tree trimming is now effortless. Higher efficiency, less labor. Who wouldn't love that? An unexpected explosion near a train station startled everyone, a moment of pure shock, followed by relief as people made it out safely. A herd of deer migrated to a new land, as if planning an extended getaway filled with lush green feasts and peaceful surroundings. Towering ice waves crashed against the frozen shores of Lake Superior, creating a breathtaking yet bone-chilling spectacle. Wow, look at that. Could those be black hailstones falling from the sky? Massive ice chunks came crashing down the dam. They must have thought they were the stars of a natural phenomena spectacular show,